Having hundreds of thousands of dollars on hand when you purchase a home, that's pretty uncommon, which is why most home buyers require financing to purchase a home. But what are the options for a buyer when it comes to funding that mortgage? My name is Jonathan Mayotte with RE/MAX in the area, and let's look at your mortgage funding options. First, we have chartered banks. You know those big banks like RBC, TD, National, BMO, etc. They're a go-to for many first-time home buyers because they're a household name and because they offer a wide range of products from variable rates to mortgages with fixed rates and even special programs for first-time home buyers. Like the big banks may be able to offer lower interest rates than some other lenders, so that might be a great option. But it's important to remember that the banks are not your only option. Number two, there's trust and loan companies. These companies like Equitable Bank, First National, they're regulated by the federal government, which basically means they have to follow certain rules when lending money. And they often have more flexible criteria than some of the big banks. So if you don't fit in like the typical mold of those big banks, they may be a great option for somebody like yourself. Number three, there's life insurance companies. Some life insurance companies, example Manulife, Sun Life, those companies actually offer mortgages. And they're often willing to work with people who don't really have the best credit in the world. Number four, you may be able to use your pension funds. Your pension fund may be willing to lend you money to buy a house under certain conditions, but you'll likely need minimum 20% cash down, and interest rates may be higher than what you would get with your bank. Number five, there are credit unions. Credit unions are organizations that give people with good credit opportunity to borrow money. They work similarly, but they are less strict with lending criteria than banks. But credit unions typically pride themselves on excellent customer service. So you can expect quality service from these companies. Number six, private sources, private lenders, family, friends. If you know somebody who has money and wants to lend it to you, well, they may be willing to give you a loan. This is usually in the form of friends, like I said, or family, but even private lenders. But be prepared to pay higher interest rates than you would with a bank or a traditional lender. So there you have it. Those are some of the places you could get funding for your mortgage. If you need financing for a mortgage, we're working closely with some mortgage brokers in the area to make sure that our clients get the best prices and best conditions when it comes to their mortgage needs. It's funny, a lot of people really shop around when it's time to buy a house and get a mortgage, and when it's time to renew that mortgage, they just re-sign at the bottom of the line without doing their due diligence. If that sounds familiar, reach out to us. We'd be very happy to put you in contact with a professional to get you the best conditions possible on your renewal also. There you have it, folks. My name is Jonathan Mayotte, real estate broker with Team Mayotte of RE/MAX in the area. I'd like to thank you for looking at our video. Please smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. We'd be happy to help you with any real estate questions you may have in the near future. Have a great day, and please remember in today's market, now more than ever, who you work with, that truly matters.